Hi guys, so today I am going to tell you about the diseases of attitude. So the diseases of attitude are far deadly than the disease like cancer and brain stroke. Once you lose your attitude or think that you cannot do anything, that no one can save you and no one can help you. There are treatments of cancer and other diseases, but there is nothing if you quit. There are treatments for your eyesight, but there is nothing for your attitude. If you have a deadliest disease of negative attitude, then your house will be ruined, your family will be ruined, your love will be ruined, your success will be ruined. At the end, your everything will be ruined. So diseases of attitude are far deadlier than the disease like cancer. You will not behave based on who you actually are. You behave based on who you feel you are. Actually, it is not the one who starts the smart work is the smart. It is the one who completes the smart work smartly is an actual smart. To start the work is not the smartness. To start the work again and again is also not the smartness. But to start the work and complete it smartly is the smartness. In order to complete the work, there will be some restrictions, or you may fail again and again, or you may stuck somewhere, but you do not have to quit. You have to say, I can, I will. I can, I will. You have to bounce back. I actually make these videos to give you motivation and energy. Whenever you fall, whenever you lose, forget everything except bounce back. To convert every failure into success, you have to bounce back. And if you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel on YouTube, Saima Academy. Thank you so much.